Hello and namaste friends, I am your host Aditya and you are welcome back to another fresh episode of Appseeker. So in today's episode we are going to talk about what are the two applications which may get your WhatsApp deactivated permanently or partially. So what I am talking is, in recent origin, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has laid down a privacy focused vision for Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram. So in this vision he has planned to unify messaging infrastructure for WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. So what he has done is he has laid down various rules because there were various privacy breaches causing recently. So what he has said is the third-party applications for WhatsApp like GB WhatsApp and WhatsApp Plus may get your WhatsApp deactivated permanently or partially. So what are those two applications? Let me show you. So these are the WhatsApp mods. These are WhatsApp Plus and GB WhatsApp. If you open the WhatsApp Plus, you get this blue color logo for WhatsApp and it has many additional features than the regular WhatsApp. And this is also the GB WhatsApp version. It also has many extra features than regular WhatsApp. But these may cause your WhatsApp to get permanently deactivated and may get you banned from WhatsApp. So don't do it. And if you are having the third-party application installed right now, I will give you the link in the description box below where you can restore to the previous version of WhatsApp. And if you like this video, I'll be posting more such tips and tricks and app related videos in future. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. By the way, if you like this wallpaper, I will be posting wallpaper application in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.